Hey, what's going on, guys? Xiangqi here. Last video we've implemented the proof of concept interaction between the engine and the Sabaki GUI using the GTP protocol version 1, and now it's time to start implementing the basic commands allowing engine to initialize itself when the GUI is asking about it. So let's kickstart by enabling the engine, and again, so we just have this for basic commands and the placeholder for hard-coded move to doing response, right? But before that, there is a whole bunch of commands that we need to take care of. So for instance, like whatever, let's say plays as the white player and I play the move. So here is the list of commands that we need to take care about actually before generating the moves. So in this video we'll handle the board size and the clear board, and we'll leave the play and the generate moves, well actually play for next one and generate moves would be the separate one. So the idea behind that is because the specific effects of the notation within this protocol. So there is the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then the G, H, and then J, K, L, M, N, and so on. So I has been skipped. So in order to avoid any kind of confusions in regards to converting the notation from the algebraic notation to the square index back and forth, it would be much easier to provide the lookup tables for those. And again, like that would be the topics of the further videos. And the idea is just as far as we're handling different board sizes, it's just in order to reduce the number of possible potential bugs, we're going to be going that way. But before that, we need to handle the board size and the clear board commands, because the GUI might be using different boards, and our engine is going to be supporting up to 3 board sizes, like 9x9, 13x13, and 19x19. And also clear the board should be clearing whatever board we have chosen. So let's focus on these 2 commands. And let's get started with the board size. Okay, so we don't need GUI for now, so I can stop the engine and detach it. And yeah, it's not clear in the console, so board size. Now here, for instance, I can say elif, and then the board size in command. In this case, we want to do the following thing. So first we want to extract the size itself. So size is going to be equal to command in want to split by the empty spaces and take the last argument, and then we want to make it an integer. So this is going to be 9, 13 or whatever. And then our setBoard function that we've been implementing before is going to be on the cards here. So this would initialize all things that we need. So here, then we can say setBoard size and whatever size that we have here. And this is going to be this is going to be size like this. And also we can just print the board to make sure that it kind of works. So let's go for here for the console. So I'm going to be testing the command line mode in the console for now before to return the GUI. So Python 3 wally04.py, and the command is board size. All right, so I say board size 9. And indeed we have the 9x9 board, which is correct. Okay, let's try board size 13. This works as well. And then board size 19. But what if the GUI sends the board size that is not supported by the engine? So we'll have board size, I don't know, 7 for instance, and then we have the error. So we need to handle that. Now if we have a look, so in case if something goes wrong, we can just say whatever, something in response. So I didn't yet test this, but this should be fairly enough to work. So now let's do the following thing. So I just want to say, no, not like this, here. So here we say if size is not in let's list the proper sizes 9, 13, 19. Then we want to print question mark and say board size, let's say not supported, current board size. I'm not sure if it allows to make the custom error messages. We'll now figure this out. And here I actually want to continue the loop. And let's make sure that it kind of works. So what if size is not in? Oh, is. There shouldn't be is. Okay. So board size 9, we are there, but board size, let's say 7. Current board size is not supported. So far so good. So this should be working in theory. So let's check this within the GUI, and if it works I will start it in some commentaries. So start a new game, don't save, clear console, go into Wally, and actually let's start yeah, probably won't print the board, but anyway, yeah, let's actually see if it does. So set as white. Okay, board size, something goes, yeah, hands. Okay, so otherwise I just want to probably print like this, and I don't want to print the board anymore. Okay, and we'll implement the showboard, which is the custom command there. So let's start again. Detach, new game, don't save. Okay, Wally as white. Okay, board size has been accepted. So far so good. Now okay, now let's quit, stop, detach. I'm not sure, hopefully, yeah, it quit. Okay, now don't save. Now let's try board size 7, which is not supported. So just want to make sure that it does give the error message, right? So play as white. Okay, current board size not supported, and for some reason, yeah, it's just hanging here. Yeah, it's probably because of the lack of the new line. So let's try again. So file, detach, new game, don't save. Okay, clear console, Wally, plain whites. Okay, current board size not supported. So far so good. And if we go to new line, nope, and 9, okay. Yeah, probably that message that the synchronize is error is because of this, I believe. So now 9 by 9 still plays as white player. Now it should be working. Yeah, now works perfectly well like a charm. So from now on, what we've achieved so far, so would be only supporting those board sizes that are available. So here we want to parse the board size, right? Here we want to throw error if board size is not supported, right? Okay. Otherwise set board size and this is it. Okay, and yeah, this just return like it's okay. Say that it's okay. Okay, so the next command, it's I don't see it being involved within the GUI, so showboard. So it just does nothing currently, but here I feel like showboard actually can print the board, and also yes, you might be printing the captured stones, which might be on the cards later on. But for now, I just want to say like this. So elif showboard in command. I just want to print. So what I need to do? So first prints the print like this, then print board, and then I'm not sure, but probably we need to have, or yeah, maybe just a single new line is like, yeah, this should be fine. Okay, print board, so it should be printing the board. Okay, let's stop, detach, clear console, new game, don't save, and now Wally, set as white player, what else, and let's go, and show board. Well, this is a little bit strange. So it doesn't seem to be. So let's check out the log. Here. Show board. Output. Yeah, I'm not sure why it doesn't print the board actually. Yeah, because the print board. Okay. Let's actually try to inspect how this works with a working engine. So if I stop here, detach, and going back to Patchy, clear console, and does Patchy understand the show board? Okay, it does. Reload. Okay, show board. Well, I'm not sure why. Oh, maybe that's because my print board routine prints a couple of new lines in the beginning. That might be the case. Okay, let's check this out. So, show board. Oh, it doesn't do anything here. This is weird. Okay, still nothing. So, okay, I feel a little bit confused to be honest. Okay, so let's just try like this. Then print board. I'm really wondering what's going wrong here. Show board. Okay. This is so weird. So did I misspell something or? Hold on a sec. So, okay, did I horribly ruin something? Why print board doesn't work? Oh, that's because there is no set board size yet, just yet. Okay, so to make it work, that's the reason. So here, set. I'm wondering. Yeah, let's just do set board size to 9 for now. And try to show board. Okay, but does it actually? Okay, detach, clear. Let's put it after here. Okay, let's go new game. Okay, Wally, and so what was wrong here? Oh, that's because I didn't set up to play whites. Okay, okay, all right. So clear command, Wally play as white. Here we go. So sets the board size. Okay, now the showboard should be working. Showboard. And it does. Okay, so from now on, finally we can deal with this. So far, so good. So maybe, yeah, this, well, this should be just fine. I don't know whether we need let's actually try this. I'm wondering if I do like so. And let's skip to a single line. All right, so stop, detach, new. Clear. What have I done? Sorry. Clear. And place as white. And show board. Okay, now it doesn't work. So yeah, we're not allowed to use, sorry, not here. And the print board actually does this double new line at the end somewhere. Yeah, it does it here. Actually, here's where it does the double new line. So it's better to say like this to make it more explicit. So print board and just print, or okay, maybe this should be enough. Okay, so one last time, hopefully. So new. And showboard. Okay, so probably let's stick to this. To this implementation. This seems to be quite okay. All right, and the next thing we want to, the next and the last for this video we want to implement is this clear board. So you see, like now currently the board is not cleared. It contains whatever we had after debugging there. So it shouldn't be like this. All right, and also yeah, here it also doesn't do anything. So showboard command should be working only after the initialization. All right, and what else? So let's probably make this one line as well, or okay, let's don't. Clear board. Yes, so board size. So it goes after board size. So here I can say elif clear board in command. this case, I want to do the following thing. So for square in range, can I actually use the length of the board? Sorry guys, I just want to go for a little test. So print board size and the length of the board. I just want to make sure the pointer works properly or not. So for instance, board size 9 and showboard and clear board should give 121. Yes. And if board size 13, it should give 13 by 13, clear board, which it does. Okay, so this seems to be just okay. So in this case, we can simply say for square in range. And what I want to do here is to say board indexed by square is equal to 0, but only in case if board indexed by square is not equal to of board, because we still want that to be not touched. So let's check this. So board size 9, okay, show board, and now clear board, and now show board, and we got our board being cleared. And I really hope that those board values were not touched, basically. But let's, instead of guessing, let's actually check this for sure. So let's make it like this. And also we need to make sure that after we print the line, right? Okay, so maybe, okay, it's not the best ever, but let's go. So board size 9, show board. Okay, so I just want to make sure that these it's not aligned properly, but we have this axis like of board squares. Now we need to make sure they're not getting overwritten. So clear board and show board, and exactly the same. Yeah, they have not been they were not overwritten, which is good. So now we can safely remove this. Save. And now let's make sure that clear board also works in the GUI. So stop, detach, new, clear, okay, play as white. Here we go. Oh man, what happened? Okay. Yeah, let's have a look what's run within the log. So play doesn't work. This is a bit strange, so okay, stop, attach. I'm not sure what's going on here. So say play. Probably because it was playing. Hold on a sec. Which side did it try to play? Oh, try to play black. Yeah, probably that's the reason. Just was kind of run. Okay, one more time. Play white. Okay, now it's still not okay. Come on. Play is white. Okay, it stocks at play. I don't know why this is happening, so stocks at play. Right guys, I got the problem. So clear boards results in error for some reason, so non-type has no len. And that means that by this time the board is not yet being initialized for some reason. And this is a bit strange. So the board size was kind of okay. Board size was okay. But this did work, just right a moment ago. This did work. So I say board size, no, okay, hold on a sec. Board size 9. And then clear board. This is the order. And then show boards, so this is the order. The way doesn't work. All right. Okay, so I got the point. That's because it should be actually like this. Yeah, this equal sign is really kind of like tricky. It's really tricky here. So now it should be fine. So Wally plays as white. Okay. Okay, now here we go. So the clear board has been fired automatically. So if I just show the board now, yeah, indeed it shows the empty board. So there is no more those things that we have previously. So if we had something previously from the game, this would clear the board. And yeah, well, probably when it comes to adding some more variables, maybe there would be some additional specific routines to reinitialize more things. So we need to think about that as well. But for now, it seems just okay. So yeah, since the set board actually resets the block. Okay, so restore board also. Yeah, probably I need to copy. I need to add this the stuff to clear the blocks and liberties to clear board. But I don't have this as a separated function here, right? So maybe let me think. Yeah, let's probably create. Let's just create the clear board routine def clear board, and this code here to clear the block and liberties. On the other hand, maybe, well, it depends. Well, since this code is going to be used twice, we can, so let's actually call this one clear. We have the clear block, and let's call this one clear liberties. Clear groups, let's say clear groups. groups. So def clear groups. Right, paste this here. Okay, now here we can just say clear groups. Clear groups. And in the clear board also clear groups, and then this part. Okay. This should be fine. I'll now test this restore board as well, because I need to make sure that this new adjustment's working. And here, one to call the clear board, and if any other initialization is coming, then it would be added to the clear board command. And that's pretty much all about it. So yeah, go in one line from now on. Okay. And can I actually put this code? So set board size. Actually, if I put this code to, so from now on the size would be as the string basically. So if I go to set board size, and just a bit of a cleanups here. Set board size. So here, if I simply do like so, should be nice as well. So now I can say like this. All right, so yeah, let's test things. So starting from, let's say now I want to say set board size, and now string as an argument, and then print board. We don't need this for now. Excuse me. All right. Okay, 158. 158. Let's return 0, and otherwise return 1 or true. So success, and here we have the error. Right. Okay, one more time. Command is not defined. So size and command. Or actually, no, I don't need to do it like this. The size is already. So yeah, let's actually put a command here instead. And then we have like board size 7 like this. Okay, board size 9. Okay. And why don't we print the board? I'm wondering. Okay, yeah, now we do print the board. Good. Now let's say count, and 82, black, okay. Now let's restore board. Okay. Okay, and now let's clear board. Okay, so we got the board, count still works, restoring board still works. So the separation of the liberties and blocks, yeah, this still seems to be working as well. Okay, so set board size, this also seems to work. Okay, and now going back to GTP. So here, so by default this would have been like so, but here, yes, current is not supported. And yeah, we don't actually need to return like this. We can just do it like so. Okay, so board size 7, for instance. What? Excuse me, board size 9. Oh, just probably not passing properly. Yeah, I'm not passing properly. So command not the size, but command. Okay, board size. Okay, and board size 9, and show board, and clear board, and show board. It's not the command, sorry, show board. Okay, so it seems to be working great. So a few last checks in the GUI and we're done. So stop, detach, new, don't save. Yeah, this is a bit of a refactoring, takes time, but it's worth it. So okay, Wally plays white, and let's go. So now if we want to see the show board, then we got our board being cleared. So everything seems to be working nicely so far. Well, if any errors or bugs arise, then we're going to be fixing this in the further videos. This is it from my side, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, and take care.